anybody there? I will just wait here until someone comes. And hopefully my hiccups will disappear. Somebody please help me. They're here and then they're gone. There they are again. Hello, people joining. I have the hiccups and they won't go away. I did drink water. I tried holding my breath. Okay. They're driving me crazy. I tried to make myself burp. Don't laugh at me. Okay. What do I do? If I had a straw, I would blow in it. I know that helps. Stick a wiener in your mouth. Oh, yeah. That won't help. Water, I try water. Stand on your head. I can't do that. Burp, how? See, burping doesn't help. I don't know what to do. I try to burp and I keep hiccuping. I'm holding my breath. I'm holding it. My hiccups stop. Wait, did that work? It must have. Oh, it might have worked. I will love you forever. No! I can't stop. Top body, how? Hold your breath and also try to. Yeah, it did work for 20 seconds. I'm holding my breath. Oh, shit. I don't have any soda. I have club soda. Will that work? Okay. Want to walk with me to the fridge? Oh, shit. Here we go. There's my dog. Say hi. Hi, Lou. Okay, we're going to the fridge. You know what the problem is? I went to a concert and I had 5 beer. Okay, hang on. I'm getting club soda. Okay, hang on. Teaspoon of honey. I don't have any honey. I'm gonna try club soda. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Okay. Here's some club soda. Do I chug it or do I just take sips? I just take them twice while I was drinking that. I think it might have worked. It worked. I'm not hiccuping. Oh, no! Frick. Hang on. What, do I do it after my next hiccup? Okay, hang on. Nothing's happening. I think I got rid of them. Oh. I'm still. I'll try to burp. It's not working. If I had a straw, I know that it works. I can blow bubbles into a straw, but I don't have one. This might have worked. Let's just wait. But the dog looks like the Amazing Grace. Okay, hang on. Oh, it worked. Whoever told me to drink club soda. I think it worked. I'm not pooping. I love you. Thank you. Yes, it's gone. They're gone. Yes, they are gone. Okay, I never periscope, so this is me drawing periscoping. But thank you for helping me cure the hiccups.